In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to profit off of Steam Community Market. We'll walk through listing an item the right way so you keep more of your earnings and avoid common mistakes, all while keeping the process simple and stress-free. First, open Steam on your desktop or in a browser. At the top right, click your account name to open your profile menu. This menu is your hub for everything tied to your account, including your items, listings, and wallet balance. From that menu, click Inventory. Your inventory shows items from your games. Some items are marketable and some aren't. Marketable ones will show the option to sell and often display a small price preview or a link to the community market. If you don't see a sell option, that specific item likely isn't marketable. Now select the item you want. Take a moment to double check its condition, rarity, or special attributes, since these can change the price dramatically. On the item page, you can usually view recent sale prices and current listings. That history helps you position your price to sell quickly or hold out for a bit more, depending on your strategy. Click Sell. This opens the sell dialog for the community market. Here you'll see two key fields: buyer pays and you receive. Fees are automatically factored in and are clearly shown on this screen, so you know exactly what you'll net and what the buyer will be charged. In the You Receive field, enter the exact amount you want to pocket. Steam will calculate what the buyer will pay, including fees, so you don't have to do the math. A practical tip: look at the lowest current listing and the recent sales graph. Pricing a little below the lowest listing tends to sell faster, while pricing above might take longer. Choose what fits your goal and how quickly you want to convert the item into wallet funds. Next, check the box that says you agree to the Steam subscriber agreement. It's worth skimming the terms so you understand fees, refunds, and how proceeds are added to your Steam wallet. When you're ready, click OK, put it up for sale. Your listing goes live and you'll see it show up in the market shortly. Once it sells, the funds go straight to your Steam wallet, ready to use on games, DLC, or other items. Keep in mind, Steam wallet funds generally can't be withdrawn as cash, so plan your pricing and purchases accordingly. That's all there is to it. By carefully selecting your item, reviewing recent market data, setting the You Receive amount thoughtfully, agreeing to the terms, and posting the listing, you can turn unused items into wallet funds with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on the Steam Community Market.